All right, what's up? It's Cam. I'm going to show you guys how to set up your environment in Windows 10 for the Java programming language. If you want another operating system like Mac OS or Linux, you can check out my other video where I show you how to do the exact same thing on those respective platforms. So when it comes to setting up your Java environment on Windows, you just need two things. A text editor, which can be either VS Code, Notepad, which is pre-installed on Windows, Notepad++, like I have here, or any other text editor that you prefer. It really doesn't matter, just as long as you can write text on it and save it as a Java file, it works. The second thing and most important thing that you need is the Java compiler, or as they like to call it, the Java Development Kit, or JDK for short. And this is easily installed online. So what I want you to do is open up a browser and just search up Java JDK. And then the first link that you should see on Google here is this Oracle link here, oracle.com, Java Technology Downloads. And you just click this link here. And if you scroll down, it's going to be already on the latest version. What we want is the Windows one. So of these three, you can select either the installer or the MSI installer. Doesn't really matter. I'm going with the x64 installer for Windows. So you just click this link here, and it'll immediately start downloading. I'm going to click Open File when it's done. And they will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. The screen is blank for you guys right now because you can't see that, but just know that it's asking me if it wants to make changes. I'm going to click yes. And after you click yes, I already have it, but I will delete it and reinstall it so that you guys can see the process. Okay, we're back, and this is what you guys should see if you're installing it for the first time. So we're just going to click next, next, and there really is not much to it. If there's some other like next boxes, you can just click next, 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 and then you can close it. So the JDK isn't a traditional application. It's ran through the command prompt. And everyone has a command prompt on their Windows. So what you want to do is just click here on your search bar. If you're on Windows 11, it's somewhere in the middle. But just click the search bar in your taskbar down here at the bottom and type in CMD. And it should bring up the command prompt here. So you open this up and this is your command prompt. This is where you can use the JDK compiler. So in order to ensure that you installed it correctly, just type Java and you should see something like this. You know you haven't did it correctly when you see something like command not found Java or something like that. And then you also want to test out Java C as well. So just type in Java C and you should get a bunch of stuff like this. It just spits out like random stuff. So if you got this good, you have Java installed on your system and you're ready to start programming in Java. So I'm going to show you guys how to run your Java programs using a text editor. So for this example, I'll just use Notepad, not Notepad++, because everyone has Notepad. But like I said, you can do this with Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, any text editor. So I'm going to open up another Notepad. And here I am going to create my Java program. I will just copy and paste a Hello World program for simplicity. Okay, so here I have a basic Hello World. Notice how I named the class Hello World. So likewise, I have to name the file Hello World. That's very important. So I'm going to click File, Save As, and we'll bring up this file dialog box here. You want to save it to a location that you can easily access. I suggest either going to your desktop and creating a new folder like I'm doing right now and naming it Java Programs and saving it into this folder here. But you can do whatever you like, whatever works for you. It matters for the next step. So make sure that you name the file something, name the file the same as the class. So I'm going to name this Hello World to match the name of the class. And this is the really important part. You want to make sure that you put .java to make sure that it's a Java file and not a text file. Click Save. And now I'm going to navigate to the folder where I saved this file. So my Java programs folder is here. I open it up. And one thing you might notice is that, like here for me, it says Java file, but you might have still a text file. And that just means you need to change one little thing about your Windows. So if you see text instead of Java file here, I want you to click, or maybe you don't see anything at all, click View, and then check this box that says File Name Extensions. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's checked off. And it's checked off. You don't see the .java part, .java part, and that is going to mess you up because you don't know what the type of file this is. So if you're on Windows or Windows 10, Windows 11 is a little bit similar too. You want to just click off this file name extensions box, and now you can see that it's hello world.java. So now that we saved our program here, I'm going to show you how to run it using the compiler that you installed. So first thing you want to do is get the location of your file, your Hello World Java file or any Java file that you want to compile. And in order to get the location of it, what you can do is navigate to it in the folders like this, how I'm here with my file. Click on the empty space inside of the search bar at the top of the file manager. And then you'll get like this C users is going to say your username and then whatever the location of the file is. I want you to copy this. I'm going to right click and copy. And then what you want to type in here is the letter C, the letter D, space, and then paste in. You could just right click to paste in the location of your Java file. And then once you're done, just hit enter like this. And you'll notice now that we're in C, users, my name, Cam, desktop, Java programs. So what that basically means is that we're now in this folder and we can see the Hello World Java file. Then we will run the command Java. We'll just type Java and then the name of our file. So in my case, the name of the file is hello world. So I'll type in hello world.java. And when I hit enter, it's going to run the program. Hello world. And just to show you guys what I mean when I say it runs the program, I'm going to edit this file. Instead of it saying hello world, I'm going to type hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. I'm going to click File, Save. We can exit out of this, and then we'll call Java again. So Java space the name of the file, hello world.java. Hello YouTube. Thanks for watching.